Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some humid and warm conditions earlier this morning. We'll see those hot and humid conditions continuing today. Heat indices will be over 100 degrees once again today, and we'll have that continued hot and humid conditions extending into looks like tomorrow. And then finally, we'll see a break once we get into Sunday. Overall, today the heat indices will be a little bit higher than yesterday, as it appears. As we'll have temperatures today around 90 degrees, dew points in the upper 70s. So some impressive heat across the region. We'll have a chance of thunderstorms once we move into the late evening hours today. Looks like those chances are a little bit slimmer than I expected for this late evening compared to yesterday's forecast, but overall, looking like about a 30% chance of a shower or thunderstorm moving through for late this evening into the early overnight hours. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have this cold front currently across the Ohio Valley. So moving towards the region for uh, Saturday into Sunday. We do have a tropical wave just near Cuba this morning. That's going to be moving towards the eastern portion of the Gulf of Mexico this weekend. But overall, across our weather, we'll just have this area high pressure over the Western Atlantic continuing giving us hot and humid conditions across the region, and we'll see some better chances of rainfall for Saturday and Sunday as this cold front advances towards the region. Our current observations, several cloud decks out there. We have broken decks at 6,500, 16,000, 25,000. A little bit of reduced visibilities this morning down to 5 statute miles. Winds out of the south-southwest at 6 knots, temperature 79 degrees, and relative humidity around 95% this morning. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have a little bit of some cumulus clouds moving through around 6,000 feet. They'll continue to move off the coast this morning. We'll see some periods of some fair weather cumulus clouds developing this afternoon. A very slight chance of a pop-up shower this afternoon, around 10%. Most likely that won't happen. Just in general today, lots of cirrus clouds across the region. Periods of some mid-level cloudiness building in, but overall lots of sunshine with that filtered sunshine through the cirrus clouds. Taking a look at the 3-kilometer NAM model for today, you can see not much in the way of activity across the region until we get late in the evening. Here's 10 p.m., some thunderstorms off to our north and west, and those are going to try to push down towards the region, but it looks like they're going to have a tough time doing so for this evening. So chances of thunderstorms only running about 30%. We'll have that heat and humidity, so they could be continuing to move towards the region, being fueled by that, but overall, not seeing a high chance of thunderstorms today. Once moving to Saturday, looks like we should see another line of thunderstorms approach for the evening hours. This model here is a bit drier than most models for Saturday, and it looks like we do have a decent chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms, especially during the late evening hours on Saturday as well. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see a high today of 92 degrees, a low tonight of 77, that 30% chance of a shower or thunderstorm from about 8 p.m. or 20 local until 2 local on Saturday morning. Heat indices well over 100 degrees today, possibly as high as 110 during the early afternoon hours once that sea breeze really comes on shore. Also seeing some slightly breezy winds today, south-southwest is southerly 10 to 15, 11, 16 knots sustained, gust up to 24 knots, so can't rule out a wind advisory for this afternoon. Overnight, we'll see those winds start to calm down some, southwest 7 to 12 knots, and possibly gusting as high as 18 knots by tomorrow morning. We'll see some little cloudiness in here tomorrow morning, a broken deck around 1,000 feet, but otherwise should see VFR conditions across the region, unless we do have a shower thunderstorm overhead during the late evening into the early overnight hours. Our tides are running normal, looking at Saturday into Sunday. Saturday, partly cloudy, hot and humid, slightly breezy, chance of a shower thunderstorm during the late afternoon and evening. Heat index values between 100 and 105 degrees again. High around 90 degrees. Saturday night, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy. Good chance of showers, thunderstorms during the evening, and a low of 75 degrees. And for Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy, humid, and slightly breezy. Good chance of showers, thunderstorms once again. High a little bit cooler in the mid 80s, around 86 degrees. But looks like Sunday is our best chance of thunderstorms as of right now. High end orange here for our rainfall and lightning. Going to continue to see those slightly breezy winds during the afternoon on Saturday and Sunday. And Saturday night, most models are showing a good chance of thunderstorms, but way the pattern has been evolving, especially with the forecast for today, showing less and less activity during the evening hours. So continued here with a low-end orange, around a 45 to 50% chance, and up here on Sunday, looking like near 70% chance of those showers and thunderstorms. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back at 10 o'clock with the next 7 days.